Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel. This is the Tech News Update. We are Thursday, September 13, 2018, and today in our Tech News Update, we have Apple that announced its iPhones and a new Apple Watch 4 yesterday. It's, of course, kind of interesting. Nothing really amazing or new or, there's not much innovation in there. Not enough to actually tell anyone to purchase a new iPhone if you already have one. And the Apple Watch 4, maybe the interesting announcement there is how they're pushing it to be really at the health side with ECG monitoring for and heart, all sorts of functionalities, detecting if you fall, and you can call 911 if you fall and seems that nothing happens. So kind of interesting, but still no innovations really in there except that they're expensive. That's pretty much it. But at the same time, what we didn't actually hear much about is Apple took that opportunity to quietly remove the iPhone 10, iPhone 6s, and iPhone SE from its line of phones that were available, and including the Apple Watch 1 also that's removed from the list of devices. Now that iPhone SE means that the smaller form factor is now gone and that phones will be a little bigger starting from now on. A skip-ahead build was released yesterday for Microsoft. 18237 was pushed for the 19H1 version of Windows 10, but many are reporting error codes when trying to install, and I actually am victim of that error code also. After 3 tries, I never was able to install it. Might try once again today, but I don't seem to be able to actually have it working. A European Union has approved the new changes to the Copyright Act, and this is a big deal. Big changes for uploads of, for example, YouTube videos, memes, and it's going to create a stir, and many companies are kind of not very happy at it, saying that this is creating a blow to the open internet. And of course, it will actually open the door to upload filters, checking everything that's uploaded. Content creators are going to be maybe a little in problems here. Even I will have to check out what will that change. This is really sad to see that they're getting so harsh on all of that. Well, a lot of users on the Windows Insider side were kind of mad at Microsoft because when you try to install Firefox or Google Chrome, it would actually add a pop-up that said, well, Microsoft Edge is a better alternative, and that's what we recommend. And it got a lot of users mad, which is kind of funny because at the same time, when I use Edge all the time, I always get Google to actually pop up, oh, you should use Google Chrome. It seems nobody gets mad at that one. Well, it's pretty much in the same league. Hurricane Florence is, of course, heading for the East Coast and will probably give a lot of rain and winds. Well, Microsoft has wanted to say that they are actually working on basically making sure that its Azure data centers on the East Coast will keep running, limit the downtime, and if necessary, switch to generators if power is unreliable or it just goes off. And of course, this announcement probably goes with the fact that last week, lightning created some problems with the Southwest data centers and kind of created a little problem with the different services. If you use Kodi, be careful. It was demonstrated that many add-ons in Kodi are actually found to be doing cryptocurrency mining on the computers of several add-ons that are even very popular are actually doing this. So be careful what add-ons you have in your multimedia software in Kodi. A interesting study came out saying that if you're in the enterprise, malicious Office attachments are the biggest threat to you. It seems that it's much more common than you think, and that infected attachments in email with Word, Excel, PowerPoint documents are very common and can of course install malware on your PC. So be careful what you do. Well, it's finally announced Microsoft has announced that its new 132,000 square foot headquarters in Canada will be in Toronto, will include a Microsoft Technology Center and focus on artificial intelligence and augmented reality, among many other things. As we got, of course, invitations for the October 2nd event for Microsoft that will, from now what we know, focus probably on Surface, it now sent invitations to insiders to watch also, which is kind of interesting because we were wondering, will there be something special for insiders? What exactly will there be in announcements over there? It's going to be interesting to see. Of course, we will be following this on October 2nd. And this was a Tech News Update for Thursday, September 13th, 2018. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.